I'm Martha. I'm going to take you behind the scenes of where all the magic of our experiences get made. This is our workshop and we're going to meet Dave. Come on. Hi Dave.
Hello.
We're just meeting you. You are the creator of all wonderful things in the Discovery Space, and we thought we'd let all the people at home see who you are.
Yeah, well, I'm busy doing making up some smell bottles, and we're going to put different things in each of them, and we're going to smell and try and tell what's actually in them.
Great.
Yeah.
This is wonderful. It's good to see you've got all your safety gear at the ready.
Yes.
And can you tell us about some of the tools that you've got here?
Oh well,
What
I got my hole saw here. I'm just going to drill some holes in this small piece of plywood to for the bottles to fit into. My hot glue gun, which is very handy around here. Electric or battery drill, which is a handy screw gun. My sander. The sander's set up as such that it's pretty much dustless. All the dust gets taken down into that machine over there.
All right, and what about the other equipment you've got here, Dave?
Yeah,
What's this one?
It's my table saw. Has an adjustable fence. I can cut down anything up to about 80 centimetres in width. The blade will adjust up and down, as will the angle of my cut.
Oh, wow.
So it makes it a very handy piece of equipment. Here's my miter saw. Anything can be cut on here. I use this quite a lot actually, and also dust extraction. It can turn to any angle between 0 and 60 degrees, and also can be turned this way so I can get my compound cuts.
And
very handy thing to have.
And the one at the back here, what's this one?
That's my
Well, there used to be a couple of
bench drill. This one here is my bench drill. I can adjust that anywhere around. I can adjust this up and down. My drill bits and so forth go in here. Safety. A safety shield there that can be folded down. And this is the shield I use to protect my eyes when I'm using it.
So can you talk about some of the things that you maybe have done in the space that people might recognise, some of your works?
Yes, well the big one is the emergency experience. Police, ambulance, SES and fire brigade. That was a big job that took quite a few hours in here to put together. We organised a few different trades to come in and including the electrical and the graphics. Yeah. Also the wharf jetty at the Crawlers Beach. The trains was a good one. That was the model train set there. That took quite a long time. But that's quite a popular addition to our floor out there.
Oh, nice.
Plus numerous smaller things too.
Like I see here's a knob from one of our music halls, so I'm sure you're constantly fixing all the broken bits.
A lot of repairs, which things get a lot of use and a lot of wear, so there's always plenty to do.
Yeah, wonderful. Now, what are you working on currently? Apart from the smell pots?
Yes, we're doing some components for the sensory room. I am, at the moment, I'll be gluing this on to the sensory wall. I've one there already on, so I'm just about to go and stick this one on.
Can we go and see you do that?
Yes, I'll just grab the glue and we'll go and do that.
Excellent, thanks.
Just going to peel this backing paper off. This is the part that gets glued to the sensory wall. The other side is a mirror, so that we can
Peel that off at the end.
peel that off once we have it glued on.
Okay, recording.
Alright, so we're just going to apply the glue to the back of this scenery and stick it on to the wall.
So for all those at home, what's this brown stuff that you're putting on there, Dave?
This is just a standard liquid nails, which it will dry and hold the thing onto the wall.
So really strong glue.
Yes, very strong. High strength liquid nails. So what we do, we pick it up and lay it down onto the job. So just lay it down into that corner. Okay, like so. Just hang on. Yep. Catch both surfaces and we'll leave it there to dry. When we finish, when it dries, we can peel the paper off and you'll see that we have a nice mirrored surface there.
Oh, thanks, Dave, for showing us around and showing
That's
us some of the
okay.
things you do.
Yeah, no worries. So this will be another nice addition to the place.
Yeah.
So thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay.
See you later, guys.
Bye.